Hey, welcome to Codewars with JS episode 1. So in this challenge, we'll see this question. Does my number look big in this? What they have given is they have given an integer, so it might be of any digit. Either it can be 4, 3, 2, 5, anything. So you can go what exactly narcastic number you can check in Wikipedia. So you can just go through what exactly it is, but I'll give you a brief information about it. So it's also called as Armstrong number. So they have given a digit like 153 and it has three digit. So now what is each digit to the power of the length of the digit must the sum must be equal, like a power of 1 and 3 plus power of 5 and 3 plus power of 3 and 3. All the sum should be equal to 153. Suppose if they have four digit, uh, all the individual digits power to the length of the digit, the sum, the summation must be equal to the digit. So now with well in this case, the power of 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 5 power 4 plus 2 power 4, which is giving me 1938, which is not equal to 1652. Hence I have written false. But if both are equal, the summation as well as the given number, if both are equal, I'll return as true. Only the changing factor here is this power. It depends upon the number of digit this number contain. So it has three digits, so we'll take all three parts. And it has four digits, so we'll take each individual digit to its fourth power. So we'll do this. And yeah, they have given us the value in a form of integer. Let me first convert that to a string form. So my new value, that will be equal to, I'll convert that to a string kind of a thing. Okay. So it will be my value. So now I have now let me uh, calculate the par, to which par I need to convert. So it depends upon the length of the digit. So my new value, I just calculate the length of it. Now what I'll do is, for each and every digit, I'll calculate the par and I'll add summation. Then I'll compare if that summation is equal to my value. So how I can do here is, I can just return the new value which I had got. Now I convert this uh, to an array so that I can apply. I can just put my like reduce function. So this reduce function again, it consists of a function which has two arguments. One is accumulator, other one is the value inside it. Initially, my accumulator value will be 0. So initially, my accumulator value will be 0. So only I'll just type 0 here. Initially, the value will be 0. So that is 0. Now, for each and every digit, I'll add the par length of it. So that will be ACC equals to my previous accumulator value plus math.power, the power of my current val with the length which I had calculated. So again, if this value equals to the value which they have provided, then it will return true, or else it will return false. Let me check if this is passing. Okay. Okay, I have a small error. Just type int here. So syntax. So if we are using JavaScript, we don't use int and all. We just let var and const. Okay. So yeah, so it passed all the cases. So yeah, so that's it.